Hola clases. So today we are reviewing for the test that we have on Friday. Okay, so what is on the test? We are talking about, you have it right here, la ropa, the clothes. Also, it's very important, guys, that you learn los colores, the colors. It's very important to say the pink dress. How do we say pink? Everything is here, okay? Also, we are doing ser en estar. This is what we are doing now. We are doing numeros ordinales. This is very important to learn, to talk about the building, to talk about a chapter in a book. So we are doing first floor, second floor, third floor, right? So this is what we are doing with the numeros ordinales because we are talking about la casa. So what is inside la casa? We know the el vestido is the dress, okay? El vestido is the dress right here, okay? So here you have el vestido, and we have el, since el is masculine because vestido ends with the letter O. So you never say la vestido. You have to say el vestido, okay? El vestido. So let me write it right here for you guys. El vestido means the dress. And let's pretend the dress is only pink. How do we say pink in Spanish? We say rosado. We can say rosa like you see it here, but let's use rosado. In general, we say rosado. And now you guys have here el vestido rosado. The Okay, so this is how we say it. We say pink, and pink is rosado, and then we say dress. In Spanish, we switch. We say the noun first, el sustantivo, and then we describe it with the adjective. We say rosado. In English, we say the color first, and then we say the noun, el sustantivo. Okay, so it's very important that you guys know that we just put the number, the clothes here, la ropa, and then you can say the color. Okay, so let me give you more examples so you guys understand a little bit more. Okay, let me put one more here. Here we have, for the test, we are doing la camisa, or you can say la camiseta. Okay, los pantalones. We can say los pantalones cortos. So let's do los pantalones cortos for the shorts. So los pantalones cortos. Los pantalones. Okay? Cortos. In so many Spanish speaking countries, some people say shorts. We understand, but we are doing this in general. We already know what is el vestido. Some people say los calcetines. You can say los calcetines or las medias. Okay, for this one. We know what is la falda, la chaqueta, the jacket, la gorra. Okay, so la gorras is more for the summertime, for example, to go to the stadium to watch a baseball game. And el gorro is more for winter time, like the hat. Okay, so make sure that you have this. How do we say in Spanish? Just remember, we say the first. That means el or la. But when do we use this? We use this one for words that ends with the letter O, for masculine, for R, L like azul. We use la for feminine, for any letter that ends with the letter A, like gorra, okay? Like la camiseta. So this is when you guys need to find a color here that ends with the letter A, like anaranjado, anaranjada, okay, violeta. So let's do one. If we have right here, I want you guys to translate the black, okay, so the black scared. Okay? How do we say this in Spanish? So we say, since you can start from here if you want, so you can leave this one to the end so you know, maybe you don't know if this is masculine or feminine. So black skirt in Spanish, skirt is falda. We say, just remember we put this one first and this one second. We put the color to the last. So we say falda first. Since falda, okay, is right here. Since falda is feminine and ends with the letter A, we have to say negra, right? So falda negra. So this is when you know that we are using la and not el. So la falda negra, okay? Remember, guys, that we need to write the colors in masculine and feminine. Only for azul, verde, any words that here that you see, like azul, verde, marrón, gris. This one ends with the L, so you can use this one for femenino and masculino. This one ends with the E, you can use this one for masculino and femenino. The same for marrón and the same for gris. Okay? Let me give you the last example for this one so you guys can work and study a little bit more because we want 800. Let's do la gorra. Okay? So I want you guys to write in Spanish. I want you guys to translate. Let's choose a color here. I want you guys to do rojo. Okay, the red cap. Okay, I'm talking here for this one here. Okay, how do we say the red cap? The first thing that you need to do is to write this one first. How do we say cap in Spanish? Excelente. We say gorra. We say gorra. And gorra ends with the letter A, right? You say gorra. Gorra ends with the letter A. So red in Spanish is rojo. But since gorra ends with the letter A, we have to say roja. Okay? And now, since you have A and A, this is A and A, we don't say L, we say la, gorra roja. When you have something here, any clothes that ends with the letter O, and O with the color, you say L, okay? Let me give you another example for masculine. Let's do green dress. Okay, so we had the green dress. The first thing that you need to do, what is dress in Spanish? What is dress in Spanish? So dress in Spanish is vestido. Okay, what is the next step? What is this color in Spanish? Green. This is verde. So you see this word right here ends with the E. So it's the same for masculine and feminine. So since vestido ends with the letter O, we have to use L. Okay, el vestido verde. Let's do una más con verde. Let's do one more. Vamos a hacer jacket. Okay, the green jacket. So what is jacket in Spanish? So if we go here, jacket is chaqueta. So we write chaqueta, okay? And what color is green again? It's verde. So we just write verde again because verde ends with the E. So since chaqueta ends with the letter A, we have to say la chaqueta verde. Okay, chicos, so now we are doing also another topic that we have on the test is la casa. La casa. So you guys know that la casa means the house in Spanish. The house. Okay, la casa, the house. And what is inside of the house? We have el dormitorio. Also, another word for el dormitorio is el cuarto. You can use el cuarto. We can use la recámara. Okay, we have many words for this one. But I know you guys know more el cuarto. Okay, you can say el dormitorio. Okay, what is this right here? This is another dormitorio. Okay, here we have el salón, but we can say la sala. Okay, we can say la sala. La sala means the living room. Okay, also we have el baño. We can say el baño only. You don't have to say el cuarto del baño. It's fine if you say el baño. We have la cocina, the kitchen, and we have el comedor. This is where you guys eat, donde comen, okay? Esto es donde cocinan, okay? Donde cocinan acá. Esto es donde duermen. This is where you guys sleep, and this is where you guys watch TV, okay? Miran televisión, okay? En el baño se bañan, take a shower, right? So let's go now with what is inside of the house. Okay. Casa, tenemos puerta, the door, okay? We also have la silla. Donde, when I say donde, that means where. Where do you find la silla in the house? In what part of the house do you guys see la silla? Excelente. En el comedor. Okay? Let me give you another one. In what part of the house do we see el sillón? Yes, we always find el sillón. Sometimes we have it in el cuarto. Yes, some people they do. They have it in the room. We also have it in la sala. That means only one. ¿Dónde encuentran el sofá? We can find this in la sala. Okay. Also, we have la alfombra. Okay, the carpet. We also have la lámpara. El suelo, the floor. Some people say piso también, that's fine. En el techo, okay? We also have in many houses la chimenea, especially during winter time, la chimenea. We also have la ventana, the window, okay? So what do you put in la ventana? We put cortinas, okay? Cortinas. Okay, we have cortinas también. Tenemos el armario, the closet, and la puerta, the door. Okay, so this is la casa. How do we say, again, the table in Spanish? So just look at the picture here. Excelente. The table means la mesa. Okay? Why la mesa and not el mesa? Boom. Because mesa ends with a and is feminine. So never say el mesa. It doesn't make sense. Okay? Now, okay, how do we say la alfombra? In many countries, many people say la carpeta, but we can say in general la alfombra. Okay? Excelente. So what else do you guys see here on the living room? If you don't know this one here, uno, dos, tres, cuatro, we have four of this. We say los cojines. Okay, we say los cojines. Wait, let me write it again. We say los cojines. Okay, so this is something we use to decorate el sofá. Okay, so this is something that we have in our test. We have la casa. So we use los números ordinales. Do you guys remember what are los números ordinales? Okay, so cardinales. Okay, cardinals, numbers. Cardinales is when you say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Ordinales, the ordinals numbers are numbers when you say first, second, third, fourth, fifth. Okay, so we use this one to talk about like floor, like first floor, second floor. Okay, so that's the difference. So let's use los números ordinales. On the test, you will have a question to say, think about this house right here. And let's pretend the bathroom, the bedroom, okay? The bathroom and the bedroom, let's pretend we have it on the second floor. So let's say el dormitorio o el cuarto. Just remember we can say el dormitorio o el cuarto. We can say el cuarto. We can say el cuarto. And this is when we use está. Está because we are talking about where something is. So we say el cuarto está. Okay. En el segundo piso. Okay. En el segundo piso. So that means the bedroom is on the second floor. Okay, segundo, second floor. Okay, what do we find? What is something that we find on the first floor? So let's pretend that we are in this house. On the first floor, we can have la cocina, the kitchen. So how do we say first? We say el primer piso. Okay, so just remember, guys, I know first means primero, but in Spanish, when we are talking about where a building, a chapter, anything like video games, we say primer. We only use primero to talk about family first. El primero de abril, April 1st. Okay, primer, el primer piso. That means the first floor. Okay, so what do we find on the first floor? En el primer piso, we can have el comedor, la cocina, the dining room, the kitchen, la sala. So let's do la sala. Okay, la sala. And the entrada, everybody know what is entrada. And what do we have en la entrada? We always have como una puerta, the door. Okay, you can say, you can remove the O for primero and tercero. Only add the letter O when you guys are writing in plural. So if we want to write el primer piso in plural, we say los primeros pisos. Los primeros pisos. Okay, so this is how we say this. So now we finish with los números ordinales. Make sure, guys, that you know what is primero, segundo, tercero, cuarto, quinto, sexto, séptimo, octavo, noveno, and décimo. And just remember la casa. What else can we do with los números ordinales? So let's remove the house from here. Also, for los números ordinales, when you guys go to the store and you see, for example, a lot of clothes, muchas ropas. For example, if you see a dress, un vestido, and the dress is between a lot of clothes from here, you can say, oh, I want the first one. I want the first dress. So how do we say first again? Just remember, we remove the O. We only use the letter O when we are talking about family or something else. But we are talking about clothes. We are talking about buildings. So we just say primer. So if you want to say, I want the first dress, if we have more dresses here, for example, let's pretend that this is dresses. We just say el primer. Okay, so just remember to say el primer vestido. Okay, so that means that you want the first dress. And we just use el because primer is masculine and vestido ends with the letter O. Now this is masculine, but if I want la falda and I want to say I want the first skirt, I say la primera. Okay, la primera falda. If you want to say the third one, you say la tercera, and you just put the letter A. If you want the fourth one, you say la cuarta, and just add the A. So just switch the letter O to the A when you have a clause that ends with the letter A. The last thing that we are doing is the physical appearance here, using ser and estar. We use ser to describe you, to describe somebody, or to description. If you are a student, so ocupación, característica, like physical, personality traits, tiempo, the time, okay? Relationship with your family, right? Position, we use position when we are using estar. Localización o ubicación, to talk about where someone is or something is, okay? Condition or emoción, like how do you feel? So just remember, I'm not talking a lot about setting a start because I just made a video about this. Here we have alto. So we can use everything that we see here from 1 to 14, del 1 al 14, for ser. We can say yo soy, I am alta. Just remember, guys, masculino and femenino. Okay, we can say tú eres, you are. Okay, tú eres grande. Okay, we can use ser. So right now we are doing ser. Forget about estar right now. We can say yo soy Alex, for example. Or you can say where you are from, for example. Yo soy de New Jersey. Okay, I am from New Jersey. Okay, so this is when you guys need to use ser. Also, you can use ser to talk about, we just did physical appearance with this one. Sorry about I forgot the S here. You can talk about who you are. You can talk about where you are from. You can say that I am a student. Yo soy un estudiante. Okay? So save this video so you can use it for the test. Okay? We have more for this one, but this is one example. For estar. For estar. We use estar, so now we are using estar. So let's remove ser because now we are using estar. Estar is right here. We can talk about position here. Localización, acción, condición, and emoción. Let me explain a little bit more. Remember, this is only for ser, so we just finished ser. Now we are doing estar, this one from here. Yo estoy, that means I am. So we just say yo estoy. Okay, that means I am. Yo estoy feliz, happy. Okay, you can talk about where you are right now. Yo estoy, I am. Yo estoy en New Jersey. I am in New Jersey. En New Jersey. Nueva Jersey. So we say Nueva Jersey. Okay. We can talk about how you feel, where you are, or where someone is to use ser and estar.